Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. And right here in today's video, we're going to be exploring the capabilities of an AI detection tool right now called the Winston AI. And I'm also going to show you how this AI tool actually works and how you can also go into leveraging the AI tool to make money online. So stick on with me as we dive right into the video. But before we do that guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, you can actually go into checking out the videos in my channel. You will find out that I usually create videos on ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you can make sure guys you hit the like button to the video, you subscribe to the channel, and you also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. Now, an AI detecting tool is a tool that is used to detect the work of an AI, maybe in something like a text right now. It will actually detect if the text is generated with the help of artificial intelligence. And you may be wondering, why do people actually need that? People need that for a lot of purposes right now. Now, I'm going to reveal that later on in the video. But you can actually see right now on the homepage of the Winston AI that this is the most trusted AI detector, as Winston AI is the industry leading AI content detection tool to help check AI generated content with GPT, with ChatGPT, GPT-4, Google Bard, and many other large language models. And you can easily sign up to the platform as it is free to sign up, and you're not gonna actually need to input any credit card details to sign up. So if you scroll through guys, you can also see that Winston AI claims that they are the only AI detector tool with up to 99.98% accuracy rate right now in detecting artificial intelligence. And that's absolutely a very cool and amazing claim if that is absolutely true. You can also see that these are some use cases that this AI tool can be used for, which are for writers, for education, and for web producers. Now, for education right now, you may be wondering why this is used for education. Maybe you're a teacher and you give your students an assignment to go on to researching about or writing an article about their most likable city, and the students actually go on to picking a city like Barcelona and utilize AI tools like ChatGPT to write such content. Now, because the student is actually lazy and don't want to go through the stress of writing that content themselves, they are actually going to utilize AI tools to do that. And you can just simply go into detecting if they actually did the job themselves or they utilize the help of an AI tool to generate such cool and amazing content with the help of the Winston AI. And how do you do that is to copy the text that was being generated. Head on to Winston AI right now. You can sign up to the platform. It is quite easy. You just need to provide your basic details like your first name, last name, email, password, confirm the password, and agree to their terms of service. Or you could easily sign up with Google or with your Facebook account. Once you sign up, you'll be brought to a page such as this where you can easily go on to clicking on start as new scan, and you just need to go on to paste in that particular text right now in this section right here. Once you paste in the text, just simply click on scan text, and it's actually going to scan the text to detect if that was generated with the help of artificial intelligence, and you can easily know with that. You could also go on to uploading files right here to actually scan through that to note if that was detected or if that was created by the help of artificial intelligence. That's how cool this actually is, and this can be used for educational purposes like I did show you just right now. For a lot of content writers, you may be wondering how this actually works for content writers. As you can see, search engines such as Google can easily detect AI generated content and penalize it in their rankings. Stay ahead of your competition by ensuring your content is original and created by a human. Now, this is absolutely cool right now, because if you're intending on promoting your brand or promoting your business right there, and you're actually maybe utilizing something like a website or an article right there, if that article is actually generated with the help of artificial intelligence, there is no way that websites like Google will not actually know. And when they actually do know guys, your article is not going to go on to ranking, your article is going to go on to losing a huge part in the competitions right now, and that could actually affect your article a very huge way right now, as your article will not be actually getting to a lot of audience. Now if you do go to checking out platforms like Upwork right now, and you're actually going to checking out the jobs available on the platform for copywriters, you're going to see a lot of cool jobs right now. And if you're actually interested in giving out a job to someone, you can just simply go to listing that on this particular section, and people will apply for the job, and you can just simply go into giving them a simple test right now to know if they're capable of doing the job. Now if you're giving out a copywriting task, or for people to go into doing, or for people to actually pass the test so that they can be eligible for the job, you need to know that they are not, or you need to make sure that they are not actually utilizing an AI to generate such content. Now for the text which they are actually going to go on to writing, you just need to go on to getting the text which they are going to generate, or which they are going to send to you, and just simply run that with the AI called Winston AI to detect if that was generated with the help of artificial intelligence or not, as that will actually go on to helping you know if that was generated or not with artificial intelligence. And if that was generated, you know that you're not going to pick that person. But if that was not generated, you know that the person did put in the work and effort to generate such cool and amazing content, and that could actually be a way to know who is better on for a job like that. So this is a very cool way of knowing that. And even platforms like YouTube right now actually penalizes people for utilizing AI generated content. Now if they're using AI generated content or AI generated script for their videos, YouTube will actually note that, and when they do note that, guys, it might affect some channels that don't follow the AI generated content rules or guidelines on YouTube right there, as YouTube might go on to even demonetizing channels for that particular purpose right now of utilizing completely AI generated content without actually going through their rules right now or following their rules right there. So there are a lot of cases that you need to also make sure that you are actually not utilizing and completely AI generated content right there. The AI are out there for our benefit, but we actually need to be utilizing them as a tool, not for every single purpose of our jobs right now. Now you may be wondering also why people actually need AI or need to actually detect this for their web pages right now, because if a lot of cool and amazing or AI content are actually available on your web page, is actually going to go into affecting your business right there, because people will not actually be giving you the benefit of doubt that you can go on to doing such kinds of jobs, or that website is actually as cool as it is, because everything they're actually going to be seeing is AI generated content, and some people can actually note that. It's also going to go on to affecting your reputation, and if that does, guys, that's not actually a good way to go on to starting. Now you may want to just simply note how you want to just simply earn money with platforms like the Winston AI. Now you can start earning money right now with platforms such as this just by utilizing the affiliate program of the Winston AI. Now you can see that the affiliate program will actually get you up to 40% commission of all payments of your leads or of your referrals within the first 12 months for their paying right now. And you can actually go on to taking note that this is a very cool and amazing referral percentage right now, which is up to 40%. You can actually register for the platform just by filling out your first name, last name, email, password, confirm the password, and complete the captcha to verify that you're not a robot, and sign up. Then you'll be able to get a unique affiliate link that you could use to promote this particular platform for people to go on to purchasing. And if they do purchase or register for a cool plan, you can go on to making some cool cash right now, because if you do go on to scrolling through right now, you'll be able to see the plans available on the platform. You can see right now that there is actually a free plan, and these are actually details of the free plan right now and the features of the free plan. You can see the essential plan, and this goes for about $12 a month, and also the advanced plan goes for about $19 a month, and you can see the features of the plans. So you can actually go on to referring people to come onto the platform and utilize the platform. If they purchase any plan, you're going to get paid some cool affiliate commission. So that's one way to actually earn with the platform. You can actually earn by actually making sure that you go on to offering gigs to check out maybe AI generated content. You can offer gigs such as that on freelancing platforms. You can also go on to utilizing that for a lot of other purposes to make money online. But these are actually a very cool summary of what this AI tool actually does and how it does that, and how you could also go on to utilizing that to also make money. So if you're looking for other strategies to make money online, like I said, I create videos always on ways to make money online. Check out the videos on my channel and make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.